hi guys. So what I will be doing today, I will be doing a quick unboxing about the Sony camera which I got. So I bought it from Henry's. So it's a Sony RX100M3 stylish. So this already unboxed during the time na binili namin siya to make sure, since again you're not just gonna spend something like expensive without testing the product. So you want to make sure that everything is working fine. So this is the packaging itself. I know this camera was released way back 2015, and I already asked the seller or the expert about what's the difference between the Canon G7X Mark III or Mark II between this. I found out when I hold the two compact camera, so I surely 100% this is for me. So here's the packaging. So once you open the box, you see the actual manual camera itself. So here's the manual. And then it has a 3-year warranty. So other stuff, paperwork, how to the Wi-Fi connection, the NFC or the near field communication, how it works, and then another copy of manual. So this is instruction manual. So yun, empty na siya, so you just have to pull up, and then since again it was tested already, here's the charger look like. Just have to plug the USB cable, this one. So this is a typical USB cable like you use on the phone, and then also the actual plug for the charger. So let's say this camera has a good feedback as well when it comes to stabilization. One thing I love about this camera is the when it comes to autofocus, yung autofocus. So dito nakalagay yung battery. Run out of battery, let's say if you haven't purchased or if you haven't purchased the extra battery, if you have like a power bank, you can always use your power bank. So what I have here is a Jaguar power bank, 24,000. So pang malakasan talaga siya. And then it came with the strap like this. Meron siyang dalawang kasama. So ito na yung entire product niya. So once you open the box, so the actual camera, the battery, the plug, the charger, and the cable. And without further ado, let's go ahead and test this camera. So let's put away all the paraphernalia. So put the battery in. By the way, this one, it came with a free 16GB memory card. So 16GB of memory. Once you slide to open, so gold contacts. So once you hear it click, make sure it is locked, and then close again. So once again, this is a Zeiss lens, viewfinder, NFC, the actual screen, and then the actual navigator, and then the actual information. So zoom in, zoom out. So the actual lens, the viewfinder. So viewfinder is one thing that I love about this camera. So let's say if you're outside and the brightness masyadong maliwanag, you can use the viewfinder. And this one, it has a sensor. So once you're able to use the viewfinder, this will automatically the screen is automatically shut off. So you see that. So once again, magandang viewfinder if ever nasa labas kayo ay masyadong maliwanag. You can always use this viewfinder for convenience. Now, going back, again, one thing na nagustuhan ko sa kanya is yung autofocus. So I have here a sample product. The autofocus on this camera is really fast. So you want to make sure, since gagastos ka rin naman, you want to make sure you have a better investment. Here is a empty bottle of Victoria's Secret. So the grid that you see on the screen, it's on the settings. So you can check settings information, record settings. So there's a lot. And then the second is for the other options. Third one is for the Wi-Fi connection. So that's pretty much about it. So as you can see, yung subject natin is nasa gilid. So once I put the bottle here, the autofocus is really fast. So I will be posting the pictures. Here's the actual cons that I see here is the actual screen touches the edge, but that doesn't worry me because it's fine. The screen or the glass itself is really good. So I'm using the iPhone 10, so I'm gonna take a picture of it. So 3 seconds. So the autofocus is really magnificent. So very powerful ang kanyang lens. So that's pretty much about it. I'm so happy I have this, or I got this camera now. So more videos, more fun, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much.